big fish with the fry. Brazil, the chef. I made it. Thank you. Take another bite. Take a big bite. I take a bite from the back. I take another bite. You go fry. Take another bite. It's just nom 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 nom. Hey, when you make a name for yourself, you start attracting the people that need to find you. Keep going, young master. It's only beginning the way God showed up for me, and I'm loving it for myself. So listen. I made it pretty far. I seen one of my videos had just passed 100 views. Clap it up for me. I'm clapping it up for me. Chip in here with me. Cheese. Chip. Chip. Give your dog a bone. Make sure you take care of your dog, and your dog gonna take care of you. You hear? So yeah, in my channel, surpassed 5 point what, like 2K views. Cloudy look. I'm doing it real big out here for myself. Congratulations, self. Keep going. The numbers are only gonna get more enormous. In the blink of an eye, it's gonna be 100K, then millions. From 100 views to 100K views to a million views. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Keep working. Keep hustling. Keep pursuing. Let it all work out. I ain't let up yet. Call my bluff. I'm really a supreme star out here. No bluff to call. Youngest with a Richard Millie. No bluff to call.